back to my channel. Today I'm going to be opening up my new Boxycharm. I just got it in the mail and I'm super excited to see what's inside. So if you are curious the way I am, then stay tuned. Okay, so in case you've never heard of Boxycharm, they are a subscription. $20 a month will get you full-size products. I think there's about 6 of them that come in this box. It's always a lot of fun. I have been getting it for a few months. I have another video that I've made on this type of unboxing, and it's just fun. So anyways, I will get to opening this up. Alright, so hello Charmer. Usually what it says when you open up the box. You get a little description card of everything that's in there. I don't like to look at it because I like to keep the suspense alive. Okay, so the first thing we've got here, ooh, our brushes. Okay, so it looks like the brand here is Luxie. I don't know that I've ever heard of Luxie. LuxieBeauty.com, made in China. It's got a duo fiber powder, precision foundation, and tapered highlighter. Okay, so let's open this up and see what they feel like. Ooh. Immediately I got a little bit of a strong smell from the bag. Ooh, it smells very plasticky. Actually, it's not the, yeah, well, no, it is coming from the brushes. It's not really the bag. I don't know if that's a good sign. Anyways, so they feel pretty soft. This one here is 660 Precision Foundation. Looks pretty nice. You can see they are pretty soft. Okay, not bad. Here's the other one, 522 Tapered Highlighter. Nice too. I can always use extra brushes. You know what my problem is? I do not like to clean my brushes. That sounds really gross, but not that I don't like to clean them, but I just kind of lazy to clean them. And so I always find that I have a lot of brushes. So you see, here's one, here's two. I'll just keep them in these weird containers. Here's 3. Oh my god, and 4. So I have a lot. And I always reach for new brushes. I do have a handful of brushes that I've been using for a while, and I'll make a video later on that. But I'll tend to just kind of drop one brush and then use another brush if it's new and it's clean. So I really need to just clean them all and be done with that. So anyways, but yeah, brushes are always welcome in my collection. I always like trying new brushes, and these look nice. Nice and pretty. They look pretty sturdy. So moving on. Next thing we've got here. Ooh, I've seen a lip gloss. Okay, Ofra. You know what? I don't have anything from Ofra. It's called Verona. Okay, see the name there? There we go, Verona. Ofra Long Lasting Liquid Lipstick. You know, I haven't really been using too much liquid lipstick anymore, just because they're so drying. They really do dry out your lips a lot. This one smells pretty. It smells a little bit like vanilla. There is the shade. It's a nice brown, a little bit on the dark side. But since I've darkened my hair, I'm able to wear darker lipsticks now without looking so harsh. I recently just bought this lipstick and I'm pretty impressed with it. Okay, so I do have to admit I bought it because the shade is called Monica, and that is my name. And I just thought it was really cute to have a lipstick named Monica. The brand name is Miss Rose. Kind of reminds me a little bit of Lancome, just the font. But I've been wearing it for a few hours and it's actually pretty nice. It's a little bit of a semi-matte color. It hasn't bled. I think I paid like $3 for it on Amazon. Here's the shade. Okay, I know this is a Boxycharm review and I totally went off on a tangent right now on this lipstick, but there are other shades and there are some YouTube videos of swatches, so it does have a really pretty scent to it too. It's a little bit, I think everything smells like vanilla. It smells like vanilla. But anyways, it is, it's nice. I recommend it. It's cheap. The shade here again is Monica. like my name. That was really cute. And packaging again looks a little bit like Lancome, a little bit like MAC, but hey, that's okay. All right. Going back to the Ofra lip gloss, I'm going to have to try this one on. I did get another lip gloss from the last Boxycharm that I received, and it was okay. It wasn't too bad. That shade wasn't the greatest. I ended up ordering a different shade, but this looks okay. And now that I've had it on my hand for a few minutes, it kind of dried up a little bit, but it's still able to smear it, so I'm gonna have to definitely just try this one out. Okay, next product we've got here. Okay, this looks kind of like an egg yolk. What is this? It says Sol de Janeiro. I'm trying to say it in Spanish. Fast absorbing body cream, helps tighten and smooth like no other. Love it, flaunt it, you've got it. Okay. So the packaging is pretty interesting. Oh, it says here, Brazilian Bum Bum Cream. Infused with all-powerful guarana extract. Guayanara? Okay, I better just not try that one again. So I'm going to open this up. Bum Bum Cream. Does this mean I put it on my butt? Oh, it smells really good. Bum Bum Cream. So what was it? Helps tightening. Did I read that? I think I did. Helps tighten and smooth like no other. Okay. Texture-wise, it's not too thick. It feels a little greasy. It smells really good. Okay. Did it leave a residue? Yes, it did. It left a little bit of a residue. Not bad. Okay, well, I guess it's for your bum bum, so I don't know. I'll have to try that out. All right, moving on. I've got something here. Looks like a eyeliner pencil in charcoal. So this is by the brand Jaunty Blue. A lot of these brands I've never heard of, but I'm always open to new products just to see what's out there, and you never know, you might discover something new. Recently, I bought a Sephora eyeliner that I'm in love with. I absolutely love this eyeliner. I have it on right now. It's Sephora it's waterproof. Oh, I didn't even notice it was waterproof when I bought it. Maybe that's why it's so good. Anyways, it's in the shade Cocoa number 14. It goes on so smooth. I am absolutely loving Sephora eyeliners. Why haven't I tried them before? I have tried every other eyeliner and they don't stay on. This one does not smear. I'm in my 40s and I tend to just kind of grease up a lot. I don't know why. My face is so greasy. And it does not smear. I'm loving it. So hopefully this one will live up to Sephora. So far, just using it, it glides on a little bit, but nowhere near how the Sephora glides on. I also have another NYX eyeliner that I recently bought. I tried using it tonight, and I don't know, just was not good. It's a really beautiful purple shade, if you guys can see that there, but it just, I don't know, it does not really, it's not very pigmented. I mean, it goes on smoothly, but it's just, the color is just not there. It does not look like it should. I mean, in the pencil, it's just a different color. So anyways, a little disappointed with that and probably won't use that again. That was a waste of money. Anyways, all right, so the next thing I have in here is, what is this? Batting Pow lashes. All right, some fake lashes. Oh, I'm saying it wrong. Battington lashes. You guys see that? Okay, oops. There we go. Oh, those look pretty. Wow. The band's a little bit thick though. Do you see how thick that band is? I don't know about that. Okay, before I condemn them, I have to try them on. So this is in Monroe 3D Silk Lashes. I have been using lashes more than I normally do when I go out. I don't have any on right now. I'm actually wearing my all-time favorite mascara. I think I've talked about it in the past. Essence Lashes. You can find it on Amazon for $4.99. It is the best. I've gone through a ton of tubes already, and it's really nice. It is a little difficult to take it off sometimes. That's the only downside. I don't really necessarily see my lashes falling out, which is good, but it is a little bit kind of a tug to, or a little tugging to take it off. And this is the Essence Lash Princess False Lash Effect Mascara. Highly recommend this one. This one's awesome. I just recently bought another mascara, and I think I have it somewhere over here. Which I need to try out. I'm thinking about making a video on it. Bought this one a few weeks ago. Haven't tried it yet. It's the Legendary Lashes Volume 2 from Charlotte Tilbury. I have not used the first one. It says here 500% more lash volume. But I recently saw a video, Tati. I don't know if you guys ever see her or have heard of her. She's a famous YouTuber. Love her reviews. And she did not like it, and I trust her opinion because she's pretty much spot on. So, actually she said she didn't like it because it seemed to kind of crumble. So, I don't know, that was a little bit of a disappointment, but I will try it on myself and come up with my own opinion, and hopefully I will be okay with it. So, anyways, next thing in this box looks like a palette. And God, the whole of this font is just funky. What does it say here? Alamar Cosmetics Reina del Caribe eyeshadow palette. So Queen of the Caribbean Volume 1. It says that it's inspired by the beauty and rich culture of Cuba, the birthplace of Alamar. Featuring 8 intensely pigmented shades ranging from delicate shimmers, high shine, metallics, and velvety mattes. Oh, this is from, so let's see, distributed by Alamar Cosmetics, made in the USA, Miami, Florida. Okay, it doesn't surprise me to be out of Miami, Florida. So that's cool. So we got a little bit of a Hispanic kind of vibe here. So let's see what we've got in here. Oh my God, these are beautiful. Wow. And they're all in Spanish. La Costa, El Malecón, Varadero, Celia, Coco Taxi. Wow, those are beautiful. Look at these shades. Oh my God. Okay, so far these blues are really standing out. Just got my nails done yesterday, and actually my daughter picked out this color. And I'm always attracted to the blues. I love blue eyeshadow. So I'm actually gonna swap this. Looks pretty pigmented. They weren't very soft though. Oh wow, look at that color. My goodness. Let's try the blue. Veradero. Oh. Oh wow, that is beautiful. Celia. It's actually, that's a green. Wow, the pigmentation looks as good as Juvia's Place. My goodness. That's pretty impressive because Juvia's Place is the best. Okay, that one didn't really swatch all that great. Okay, what other color do we have here? I'm going to go with this other shade that's a little bit more of a burgundy. Let's see. Oh, what the heck? That was not good. Okay, actually, I went over my my bone there. Oh my God, why is it doing that? Okay, hold on. I need to be fair here. Let's use this part. There we go. Okay, that was just not a good spot to swatch. Okay, that's pretty. Wow, these colors look pretty nice. I am going to have to try these out soon. Okay, so I don't know that there's anything else in here. Let's see. I think that was it. Okay, so we have the palette, the lashes, and oh my god, I just threw everything in this mess of makeup that I have here. The eyeliner. Okay. And what the heck? Oh, where's the lip gloss? Oh my god, I'm a mess right now. Where the heck did I put the lip gloss? Oh, here it is. Okay, so the lip gloss from Ofra and the Bum Bum, Brazilian Bum Bum cream. So it looks pretty fun. I'm excited to use these products. So, actually I'm going to read the description on it too and just see what it says here real quick. The palette is $28. The Bum Bum cream is $10. The lashes are $28. Oh my god, the brushes were $42. No, I would not pay $42 for those brushes, no way. I mean, they felt nice, but quality-wise, like for $42, I would rather buy, I don't know, definitely not those brushes. Sigma is really good. I mean, even BH Cosmetics has really nice brushes. The quality isn't like super high, but actually feels a little better than these. So that's a little bit on the expensive side. The waterproof eyeliner is $5. That's cool. I can hang with that. And the Ofra is $21. So that's not too bad. All right. So also Boxycharm is calling this the Caribbean Queen Looks Collection. So all right. Well, if you guys enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Otherwise, I will see you next time. Don't forget to hit that notification button. My voice is a little raspy right now. I think I'm kind of tired. I was drinking some wine right now. I like to drink wine on the weekends, and you guys have seen me drinking wine in my videos. But I don't know, I'm feeling a little bit sleepy right now, and it kind of, anyways. Alright guys, well, thank you for watching. Again, don't forget to hit the notification button. Subscribe if you haven't already. Leave any comments or anything like that in the description box below, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!